In today's busy life, does cooking sometimes feel like a luxury? The microwave is convenient, but the food quality often disappoints. For those who refuse to sacrifice either convenience or taste, meet RangeMate. RangeMate keeps the simplicity of the microwave, but delivers the taste and quality of an oven. With its patented design, it blocks direct microwaves from hitting your food. Instead, its heating plate absorbs the waves and converts them into powerful far-infrared heat up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking evenly inside and out for rich flavor and a moist, tender texture. And it's easy to use. Just place your ingredients inside, set the microwave, and in minutes, your meal is ready. No preheating needed. You'll enjoy oven-like crispness and juiciness with all the speed of a microwave. Worried about splattering oil, smoke, or odor? RangeMate keeps things clean and contained while locking in moisture. You don't need to wait for frozen food to thaw. With its patented far-infrared technology, RangeMate cooks straight from frozen, delivering powerful heat that penetrates evenly to the core, locking in moisture and keeping every bite juicy. The Cool Touch handles make it safe to carry straight from the microwave to the table, keeping meals warm the entire time. Cleanup is effortless too. Just rinse with water or put it in the dishwasher. When you're done, store it right in the microwave without taking up space. From quick snacks to hearty meals, RangeMate transforms your microwave into the most powerful tool in your kitchen. RangeMate.